guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to be rating fidgets and making squishies and making slime. So here are the fidgets. Okay, so we're going to be rating them. This yellow poppet, it's pretty fun. Although I do like the square ones better because then you can like evenly pop them. So I'm going to give this a 9.5. It's really good though. So this one, I love the color too, so I'm going to give this one a 10 out of 10 because it's super cool. This one is like a slap bracelet, but it's also like spiky almost, and it's weird, but I also like it. Like I play with it, and it's fun. So I'm going to give this one a 6.5. Yeah, and this slime is, I'm not going to feel it because it's really messy like right now. I'm going to have to give this one a 2.5. It's, do you see that? It sounds like milk. Okay. This baby bottle. It's a baby bottle. It's called Zero Oosh. So this oosh is, it looks really sticky. Yeah, really sticky, so I'm going to give it a 1.2. It's, ooh, this here, I'm going to give that a 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. It's super cool. Okay, next is this, and this thing I kind of like putting in and out, or like kind of feeling it. It's really cool, and I'm going to give this one an 8.7. Next are this little ball thing, and it's really, really, really cool. This one, here it is. You can like slide them, stuff like that. And so I'm going to give this one, honestly, a 10 out of 10. It's super cool. All of these magnet rings I love, like absolutely adore. They're so cool. You can just kind of bunch them together. I'm going to give these a 9.8. And finally, this slime. It's pretty good. It's mint green, which is a really pretty color, so I really like that color. And it's not too sticky, but it is sticky. Yeah, so now I'm going to put everything back. This I'll rate 7.2. So yeah, I'm going to put everything back. So yeah, this, that, and the pockets, right there, this, and finally that. So next we will be doing the slime. So I don't know what kind of slime I'm making, but yeah, there's a lot of stuff, including an empty gum container. No idea how that got there, but okay, let's unbox everything. So first we have these blue foam beads, very nice. Sorry, my cat's behind the camera. Oh, poor cat. Oh my gosh. Okay, this glitter, really pretty. This glitter, really also pretty. This white glitter, or not glitter, foam beads, sorry. That's kind of cool. These pearls, interesting, but cool. Fishbowl beads, confetti, foam cubes, like jelly cubes. More foam ball beads. What the heck is this? I have no idea, but it's cool. Glitter, big confetti foam balls, instant snow packets. Sprinkles, purple glitter. Scared me, duck. This thing freaks me out, like low key. Isn't it freaky? Okay, soft clay. Do you have to be there? Okay, sorry. This clear glue, borax activator containers. very necessary to make the slime, of course. Yeah, but just unboxing today and stuff. Yeah, so another container. I'm gonna get all the food guys and scents.
Hi guys, I am her personal assistant.
Yes.
I am actually been hired by her.
Yes.
I am doing the filming, but so I just wanted to tell her. Some of your fans on your channel wanted to do a challenge for you.
Oh
so
no.
So you're going to. It's actually really fun. So you're going to run in. Why is there this empty Hubba Bubba container?
Yeah, I was really wondering that.
So you are going to be making a slime, and it has to be pink and has to have clay in it.
Oh,
you have to make a slime with this. So yeah,
Ooh, okay.
I won't bother you.
I'll
now,
use a container. How about I use
you'll use this, and
Okay.
then use.
I'll
I'll pour some glue.
Okay. You get the glue while I keep unboxing this stuff. Okay, so there's a ton of spoons. I'll use a pink spoon because, come on, we're making Hubba Bubba slime. Hubba Bubba Bubble Gum. That's kind of hard to say. Try saying that 10 times fast because you guys are giving me a challenge. I'm giving you a challenge. So say Hubba Bubba Bubble Gum 5 times fast. Hubba Bubba Bubble Gum. Hubba Bubba Bubble Gum. Hubba Bubba Gum Bubble Gum. Hubba Bubba Bubble Gum. Hubba Bubba. Yeah, that's really hard. Okay, so here's the glue.
And she's going to use this borax solution.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
gonna
I'm not
shake
going
it
to use
up
that
a
yet.
little. And make sure to use the clay. I'll give it to you. And make sure to add
Yeah,
the
I'll
color.
start by adding the color, which is blush pink. So yeah, that is cool. Wait, they have a white. Yeah, cloud white. Interesting. So I'm gonna add about that much because I'll show them. Yeah, I'm just putting this away. So it actually kind of turned out to be a heart, but yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah, it's in there. I don't want it to spill, so I'm gonna mix it now. And I have bubblegum scent, so that's gonna be like perfect because it's Hubba Bubba slime. I think I may end up adding a little more food coloring because it's not as Hubba Bubba color. And you see how bright that is? Yeah. So I'm gonna add a lot more because like not too much. 10 drops. Oh Jesus. Yeah. Look. Oh shoot, I'm gonna put that in there. Okay, turn. Come on, stuff isn't coming out. Come on. Oh jeez, okay. It all came out in one thing. Okay. So, I just added a lot so that it gets really bubblegum pink. Oh, that's the perfect color, don't you think? Perfect. So here's the perfect pink color. Yeah. Here is the bubblegum scent. That's gonna be really good. Yum, that smells really good. And I will get the clay in next. So, can you get the clay ready? Is that good? Okay. Yes, that's the clay. That smells good. Yes. I am going to add the borax now.
And guys, don't mind me. I'm just her personal assistant that she hired. So don't think of me as someone in her YouTube channel.
You can kind of think as a crew member, kind of like in the crew, you know.
Because we're planning on this lady right here, this young lady, to be very famous.
Yes. Yeah, let's see here. I'm trying to get it. Right here. Okay, it's getting really sticky, but I need to keep working on it because it has a piece of cat hair in it. Yeah, she's laughing. I know. It's fine. I don't really care if you laugh because. Okay. I think it's ready for clay now. So we might end up, because of the clay, we might end up adding more food dye because the clay is white. It's gonna make it a lot whiter. So yeah. Ooh, this is turning out nice and pink and cute. I'm gonna add some more. Yeah, you can feel it. Very nice. Now I'm gonna add some pink. Stiff. I know, because I wasn't done mixing it. It's because it's gonna be from both sections. It's like paint. The food dye.
And I think she's gonna add a little more since.
Yeah, I am. But it doesn't smell too much like bubblegum. It does smell like bubblegum, just not completely. Okay. Ooh, nice. It's becoming really nice, guys. Nice. Now I'm gonna add some more scent. I feel like it's becoming chewed up bubblegum because it's very light colored. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nice. Very nice. There's like a crackling sound. Do you hear that? Ooh. That's funny. It's cool. Ooh. That is cool. Okay, I'm gonna knead it for a little while until it gets more warm.
And because I'm her director, I'm gonna get her next project ready while she makes that.
It's becoming kind of firm. I feel like it needs more glue, but I don't know. I may just be saying that.
Don't mind the sound, guys.
Okay, yeah, so I think it's turning out only white on camera, but it's actually pretty pink. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it in the Hubba Bubba bubblegum container. And yeah. Hubba Bubble bubblegum. That's hard to say again.
And guys, if you want to shout out,
Just comment down below. It's that easy. And subscribe and view and give a thumbs up. Yeah. I think we made this a little too big. It's kind of dripping out the sides. But anyways, here it is. Really nice. Oh yeah, really like bubblegum. Look at that. Ooh, nice. So satisfying. Oh yeah.
guys, comment your age.
Yeah, because
How old are you, eventually?
me, I am 9. No. I'm sorry. I was 9 a couple of days ago. So, yeah, I'm 10. Pretty much. So,
Tell
yeah.
her what you got for your birthday, Evangeline.
Me? Sorry, she's trying to tell me something. I'll be right back. Oh, okay. I got a kitten. It was really cute. Her name's Josie. She's really cute. Josephina, Christina, and Relina. Regina, and Relina, Christina.
Would you like to show them your kitten?
Yes,
I'll go get her.
Oh, okay.
This is your YouTube channel. I'm the director, so sit
What
and relax.
are you gonna do? What are you doing now?
I am making something for your next video. But you guys have to watch it to see it.
It's only 8:31.
Comment California.
Yep.
California.
We love it here. It's nighttime, so that's why it's dark out though.
California.
California.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. So bye.